All right. Got a warm up in. What's good with y'all? What we doing? Burpees. 2-pump burpees. Just tried it out right there. We were doing 2-pump burpees. I do some kettlebell swings here and there. We're gonna do a ladder. I'm already gassed, like I said, working out for a little bit, but I had to record, give y'all 15 minutes of my time, of my training, get back to the foundation, get back to what actually works, which is the burpees and the kettlebell swings. So let's go. I'm gonna do burpees, 2-pump burpees, and I'm gonna include the kettlebell swings whenever I feel like doing it. So let's get to it, man. Got J Vengeance playing. Let's go. Ashley. I'll get it to you folks. Let's go. It's 2. I'll get 2 folks. 1. 2. 3. 1. 2. 3. 4. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. On 6. On the ladder. Up to 14. 6. 6. 6. 2. 3. 6. 7. Let's go. We're on 7. 7. 7. 7 burps. 2 pumps. My favorite 2 pumps. 7. Get the gas chamber going. Get your pumps in. Cardio. The more pumps you do, the more you stay on the floor. That's when that strength comes in. We're on 7. 5. 6. 7. 8. Get back to the foundation. Get back to what built you. During COVID, what did you do? COVID was the best years to work out. A lot of people had to get to their body weight, had to find something new. That was the best years to work out. Let's go. Plus it's 8. 4. 4 more. 4 more. Nah. Let's go. Nah. 9 reps. 9 reps. You want to get cut up for the summer? Do some burpees, man. Tell you, do some burpees. Again, I'm trying to get back to my old self. Give y'all real, raw content. No fluff. You can drop down, give me 20 minutes of your time, 15 minutes of your time. Anywhere, anytime. Stop making excuses. God woke you up this morning. If God woke you up this morning, you're able to breathe, you're able to move, you're able to walk around freely with no aches and pains, no illnesses. Get down and give me 20 minutes. 20 minutes of your time, man. Just 20 minutes. If God woke you up, you can do 20 minutes of work. Stop being lazy. Stop making excuses. 20 minutes a day. That's all you need. 10 minutes a day. 15 minutes. Let's go hard during those times. Let's go. 9. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 10, count them up, 10. You gotta go at a pace. Go at your pace. Don't go at my pace. Don't go at your friend pace. Go at your pace. 10. 10 reps. 10 reps. 6. Woo, 4 more. 4 more. Let's go, y'all. 4 more. My gas chamber ain't what it used to be. I ran from the burpees, but now I'm trying to run back to it. 4 more. Trying to run back to it. But I don't know if I'm gonna be accepted back into it. Because burpees ain't for everybody. Let's go. 4 more. 1. 2. 3. 4. 11. Let's go, y'all. 11 reps. 11. 11 reps. Let's keep going. 11 reps. Don't you stop. Let's go. 11 more reps. 11 more reps, y'all. Let's go. You can't do the foundation. You can't do burpees. Do the foundation without giving your props to Iron Wolf. Salute the Iron Wolf. The burpee. Do the burpees, man. Shout out to Iron Wolf. That got all of us inspired. Seven, 3 more, 4 more, 4 more. Woo. 4 more reps. Like I said, reps. Another 12. 12. I want to switch up my training. I want to do this. I want to do it all. I want to get back on my weighted squats, man. I got the rack. I want to get back on my weighted squat. I don't care too much for bench press, none of that. Because for calisthenics, you can do a lot of reps. You can do a lot of exercises. The basic calisthenics can give you a nice chest. But if you want the tree trunks to grow, gotta add the weighted 12 reps. So that's one thing I want to get back doing. Get the tree trunks, put weight on the bar, squat. You know, pyramid, 145, 165 on the bar. Do a pyramid down with that. That's what I want to focus on when it comes to the tree trunks. But we almost 12 minutes in. We're on set 12. Why do 3 pumps? I don't know, switch it up. 4 more. Keep going. 4 more. 4 more. $13. $13. I got me another phone, so I'm recording on this phone and stuff on my other phone. So, give y'all 15, 20 minutes of my training, and I upload it. No fancy edits, none of that shit. Whatever records, that's what get posted. Too much Barney stuff nowadays. Not enough hard work. So, let's get back into it. 13. Six. Fuck. 6. 6, 6. 6. 6 is 13. 7 more. 7 more. Don't give up now. 7 more. 7 more. Fighting the fight. Gotta stay in the fight. 7 more. It's 8 o'clock in the morning for me. Be working. 7 more. 14. 14 more reps for this set. 21 set, y'all. Remember that. 21 set for this. It's only the first set. It's 4. It's only the first set. So you flip another card, whatever number that is. If you get a 5, that's 15. If you get a 2, that's 12. If you flip a 20, 25, whatever number, you gotta go up on that ladder. So 14, just the first set. But we got plenty more to do. So give me 14. I'm on 14 right now. So 14 sets right here. Well, 14 reps right here. 14 reps right here.
Here are some tips on how you can find your
if you have to take a break, take a break, but let's keep going. 14. Like I said, my burpee game is trash, but we gotta get back on. Shout out to Pork Chop Black too. Nine, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 7 more reps. 6. Oh, yeah. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 7 more reps. Might have messed up my count, but fuck it. If you always lose count, start from the bottom number. 7 more reps. 7 more reps. All right. Ha ya ya. Okay. Now we did a 1 to 14 on the burpees, 2 pump, 3 pumps combo. Now for a few minutes, I'm gonna do the kettlebell swings for a few minutes. But I'm still gonna flip another card. Show y'all for example. This next card, whatever this number is, that's 8. So we're going to 18 next. So we're gonna do a ladder. 1 rep, 2 reps, 3, 4, 5, all the way to 18. If you're a beginner and you're not as advanced in the burpees, your cardio game and all that, your push-up game and all that, and you're a beginner, you can just go to 8. You know, you can just go to 8. Do a ladder, 1 to 8, you know? On burpees, kettlebell swings, just do a ladder and flip your another card. And for me personally, even though this is 4, I wrote 18 up there, you can do another ladder, 1 to 8, you know? Or you're more advanced, do a ladder, 1 to 14. But I'm more advanced with it, so I'm gonna do 18. Or if you wanna do that, you can do 18 sets, 18 reps. You know, you can do that too. But we can do some kettlebell swings. I haven't done these in a while. 18. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 20 gone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 21. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. go. 7. It's only been 20 minutes. Like I said, all you need is 20 minutes of your day to change your life. You don't need an hour. An hour is good money. But if you're busy, really busy, with kids, with work, you know, you got a busy life schedule, but you want to get in shape, 20 minutes of hard, consistent work and discipline can get you right. So like I said, stop making them excuses in life and get after it. Stop watching people all the time on YouTube and Instagram with them fake ass bodies they got. How they look on social media and how they look in real life. So get that shit out your head. Try to better your life. That's all you can do. You're on 7. Let's go by the numbers. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Goes by the numbers. You do 7 reps, pause. 8 reps, pause. 9 reps, whatever. Let's go. 8. 8 reps. 8 reps, y'all. 8 reps. Like I said, when I do squats, you're gonna be hitting, body weighted squats. And you're gonna also hit the weighted squats. Put the weight on the bar and squat with it. That's what we're gonna do. We're on 8 right here. 8. Now, y'all get the concept. It's about 20 minutes up. Way past my time, but make sure I keep on spreading that peace, love, and positivity. With anybody and everybody. Make sure you guys train hard every single day. Make sure you guys give this routine a try if you want to. I'm still gonna train off camera, but salute y'all. Let's keep up. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend that Kevo's back. And I'll see y'all later, man. Peace out.